Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to derive this equation here for projectile motion. So first of all, recall what is projectile motion? Well, in projectile motion, the motion occurs in two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. So here's the direction of launch of our object, and we'll take a parabolic path. So now we'll use one of Newton's three equations to derive this equation, and the equation we will use is S equals ut plus a half at squared. And now our motion occurs in two components, the x and the y components. So first we'll solve for the x component. So for the x component, S or x is equal to, so the initial velocity in the x direction is u cos theta t plus a half at squared. Now in the x direction there is no acceleration, so this actually becomes just x is equal to u cos theta t, and now we will make t the subject of the formula, so this becomes t is equal to x over u cos theta. And now this is the component for the x direction. Now let's work on it for the y direction. So let's go on a new page, y component. So the distance in the y direction now is y is equal to u, and in this case in the y component the initial velocity is u sine theta. So y is equal to u sine theta t plus a half at squared. And now in the y direction, what possible acceleration could be happening to our object? Well, it's none other than gravity, and gravity occurs downwards at approximately 9.8 meters per second squared. So since it's in the negative direction, we put a negative sign here, so y is equal to u sine theta t minus a half gt squared. And now from equation 1, our equation in the x direction, we see that t is equal to x over u cos theta. So what do? Well, let's call our y component equation 2. We simply substitute in that t is equal to x over u cos theta. So we sub this into that, and we get y is equal to u sine theta x over u cos theta minus a half g, and here we have x squared over u squared cos squared theta. Now we can do a bit of simplifying here, so we can cancel out our u's, and also from this part here we see we have sine theta over cos theta, which in actuality is just tan theta. So let's simplify that. Y is equal to tan theta x minus a half g. Let's try this a bit neater. Let's bring the x squared outside, so that's 1 over u squared cos squared theta by x squared. And if you look carefully, this is actually a parabolic equation. And yeah, that proves its parabolic motion, and well, that is the derivation of our formula. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you understand.